Alright, shoe believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this one underway. Get you guys a little bit of a label action. If we can get it to focus. There we go. Move it around a bit so you can see the whole thing out of the light. Whoop, whoop, whoop. This one reads the Air Jordan 2 Retro. Black, cement gray, and fire red. As most of you know, the Jordan 2s are either you like them or you don't. Again, we're doing another one of those videos. I believe that this is one of the best Jordan 2s that came out. So if you were going to get a Jordan 2, this should be the one that you have gotten. In my opinion, one of the ones that you should have gotten. Let me know in the comments below any Jordan 2s that you think are worth buying. We all have the J Belvins. Everybody bought the J Belvin, so I know that that's one of the elite pairs. The materials on this shoe are pretty decent. It's not bad at all. This is a pretty decent Jordan. If you like Jordan 2s. Got this pickup off of StockX because they were cheaper than retail. Like I said, I don't know what these are going for now, but I got these for a steal. I got them for under 100. No, a little bit over 100. But under retail. Going through. Nice back on this shoe. Like I said, of all the Jordan 2s, this one's pretty decent. So let me know what you guys think. If you're going to buy a Jordan 2, like I said, this is the one that I recommend that you should go for. If you're just getting into Jordan 2s, this will be your first one. It's a retro. Like I said, not at all bad. I always go for a good bread colorway. Let you guys see the little top action of the shoe. See the whole front foot silhouette. Like I said, like a leathery black material, all leather. Then you get over here, this is like a snake skin material. It's not real snake skin. But for those of you that did miss out on the Dragon, the Dragon 1 lows, if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go check it out. You can get this one. And that'll kind of help out, like I said, StockX pair if that matters to anybody. Great back of the shoe, in my opinion. Like I said, this is the best part of the shoe is the back. A little bit of rubbing on the back of this one, but it's okay. Doesn't hurt the shoe in any way. It's outstanding. Like I said, one of my favorite Jordan 2s. Nothing special, nothing flashy, just a shoe to put on your feet and wear. You have Jordan 2 black and gold, or I'm probably black and gray. Match with just about anything. Like I said, let me give you guys another top look and a close side look so you can see what I'm saying. That's what people are going to see when this shoe is on your foot. Jordan 2, and let me give you a look close up of that back. Well, I could not like the Jordan 2 in this colorway. Get a look what the shoe is going to look like when it's on your foot or feet, however you guys like to say it. You know what you guys think, like I said, of the Jordan 2. Let me know if there's any Jordan 2s in your opinion that are worth buying. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Above all else, everybody stay safe and have a nice day.